Restaurant insurance. There are many different types of insurance policies for restaurants and bars. Selecting the right one for your needs can be difficult, but these policies protect you from lawsuit costs and fees. Liability insurance is essential for your restaurant, as it covers legal and other fees that may arise if a lawsuit is filed. You should also check out other types of insurance, such as property insurance, which can help you cover the cost of property damage. But before you purchase an insurance policy, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of the policy. Before choosing the right restaurant insurance plan, make sure you're familiar with the different types. Liquor liability coverage is important if you serve alcohol at your establishment. This type of insurance will pay for any legal fees that result from a lawsuit. Building insurance will compensate you for damage to your building or structure. Contents insurance will cover the contents of your restaurant, which can be expensive. If these items are damaged or stolen, it's important to choose a plan that covers these items. Business income insurance protects you from the financial loss you incur when your business is closed. Similarly, ordnance and law insurance pays for repairs to your restaurant in the event of a fire. This coverage covers the costs of rebuilding your restaurant if it doesn't meet current state codes. It also considers the safety of emergency exits. The best restaurant insurance policy will provide all of these features and more. In addition to the basic protection, you can also choose to purchase optional coverage for your establishment. When choosing a restaurant insurance policy, there are several factors you should consider. The size of the space, the number of employees, the location, and other details should all be included in the lease. Then, you should consider the type of business you operate. You should also choose between liability, property, and business expense coverage. Adding these options will reduce your premiums. A comprehensive policy will protect your business from any unforeseen circumstance. It will cover everything from injuries to buildings to theft. While it is true that restaurant insurance is a must for any restaurant, the price should not be the main consideration. It should be tailored to your needs and budget. While the least expensive policy might be more suitable for your business, it's not always the best choice for you. A professional insurance provider can assess the risks associated with your establishment and recommend the most appropriate coverage for your needs. It will protect your business and your family in the event of your death, but will not cover your assets. In addition to liability insurance, there are many other types of restaurant insurance. General liability insurance covers any accidents that may occur in your establishment. It covers any damages or injuries that your customers may suffer in your establishment. If someone gets hurt on your property, you'll be able to claim compensation. If the premises are damaged, the policy will cover damages. For example, it will cover lost income and medical bills. If you have to pay for damages, this coverage can be especially helpful. If you have to pay for damages, this coverage can be especially helpful. This type of insurance covers damages to your reputation and property that may result from foodborne illnesses. Commercial property insurance is essential for restaurants. This type of insurance also covers buildings and contents. Whether it is for your restaurant or a retail store, you should be covered for these events. There are many other types of insurance for restaurants, but these are the most important. If you own a restaurant, it is worth researching all of them to ensure that you get the best policy for your business. The cost of restaurant insurance varies greatly. It is important to remember that it is important to obtain a policy with the best available limits for liability insurance. However, the cost of restaurant insurance is not an all-inclusive guide. Depending on the size of your business, you'll need to find the right coverage that fits your budget. There are several different types of policies for restaurants. The price of a policy will depend on a number of factors, including the number of employees and the location. If you need help with your financial decision, you may want to consult an independent agent. Thank you for watching.